In this video, I'm going to show you a easiest way to make money online by doing affiliate marketing. I'm saying it a easiest way because you don't need to sell anything. And also you don't need someone to submit your email address so that you can make money for yourself. That's why it is an extremely easy way to make money online. And of course, we are going to use some affiliate offers for that. But before that, you need to be able to visit to this site that is called OfferVault. And in order to visit to this OfferVault, you can simply type at Google OfferVault, and this is the exact site which when clicked will make you reach to this site. Once you reach to this site, then simply type on the source bar Chrome extension and you will see few of the offers that are related to Chrome extension. Now of course, at the time of shooting this video, there are few only offers that are related to Chrome extensions, but at the time when you watch this video and you do your research on OfferVault, then there may be lots of other offers that are related to this Chrome extension. Now I can understand that lots of you don't know about what exactly Chrome extension is, so that's why I'm going to explain you it in a few seconds. So basically, if you type on Google what are Chrome extensions, then you can read Google Chrome extensions are programs that can be installed into Chrome in order to change the browser functionality. This includes adding new features to Chrome or modifying the existing behavior of the program itself to make it more convenient for the user. So basically, in simple words, these Chrome extensions are these kind of icons. Okay, as you can see, all of these are Chrome extension. Okay, now this actually helps you to do a bit more tasks that Google Chrome wouldn't allow you normally. Okay, so for example, this is a Chrome extension that is called Colorzilla. Okay, now this Chrome extension has a functionality of picking the color code. Okay, for example, let's say if I want to know what color code this is, okay, this blue color is, then what I can do is just click on this Chrome extension, okay, and then over my mouse here, and you'll see the color will change at here. Okay, so if I hover my mouse over this black text, then see the color will start to change at here. Similarly, if I just click on here, then it will pick the color, and this is the color code. Okay, now if I paste this color code at here, then this is going to be the color code which I can use in my website in order to get this exact color. Okay, so this is basically called Chrome extension. And now the extension that pay you this amount of dollar. Okay, so now people don't need to buy. For example, if you are promoting this Capital One shopping Chrome extension, then people just need to put that Chrome extension in their browser in this way, and that Chrome extension will enable the discount offer. Okay, so the discount offer to the people who are using this Chrome extension. For example, let's say if I have this Chrome extension at here and I'm searching for shoes or maybe sunglasses, then in a normal browser there will not be any kind of discount. Okay, but this Chrome extension will help the people to find the discounted offers. Okay, so it is even beneficial for the user who puts at their browser, and you need to promote this kind of Chrome extension offer. And if someone install this Chrome extension app here, then you will get paid $8 for this offer, $4 for this offer, and $2 for this offer. And there might be lots of other Chrome extension offer that will come in upcoming days, so do check on OfferVault immediately. And in order to get your specific affiliate link for this offer, what you need to do is you need to go to this network that is called Ambalaya Affiliate. Now it's extremely easy to visit to this affiliate and join this affiliate. Okay, you just need to click on this Ambalaya Affiliate, and then you need to just fill out this form and sign up to this affiliate program and wait for their approval for you. Okay, and once you are approved, you can get your affiliate link for these offers. Now I already have an account on Ambalaya Affiliate, that's why I cannot create another account, but because this might drag me into some problem with Ambalaya Affiliate because of creating multiple accounts, that's why I don't want to create this account and show you exactly how you can do. But it is extremely simple, just fill out these forms. Okay, and then just search for Capital One shopping Chrome extension in the network and you will easily find this exact offer. Now once you get your affiliate link for this offer, then you need to bring traffic to this offer. Now if you bring some random traffic to this offer, then I don't think that it can bring you good amount of conversion, but I have something for you which will absolutely bring you sales and conversion. So the best traffic source that you can use for this offer is simpletraffic.co. Now the most interesting thing about this traffic source is you can get a free trial of this traffic source, and you can get up to 3500 website visitors for absolutely free. You just need to use this coupon codes. Make sure to check this what exactly is the coupon code at the time you are signing up, okay? And in order to check that coupon code, you just need to try to exit to the site and this pop-up will appear, okay? And then you can easily sign up to this site for absolutely free. Now I'm not saying you to directly go to this site and start running ad. I'm actually going to show you how you can run this ad with the help of my previous video, okay? One of my previous video. So the video that you are watching right now, just go to the description of this YouTube video that you are watching and click on this show more, okay? And scroll below and you will see learn how to run simple traffic co ad, okay? In this way, just click on this link and this exact video will appear. And in this exact video I have shown you how exactly you can sign up to simple traffic for absolutely free and bring visitors to your affiliate offer for absolutely free. Yes, that's true. You don't need to pay anything to simple traffic, okay? But once you start to get sales conversion in that Chrome extension offer, then you can even pay them to bring more traffic, like 500 visitors per day, okay? That is enough amount of traffic to the offers that just required to install Chrome extensions. Also you can run another type of traffic for this offer, and that is called one-click Popunder, okay? This is a paid ad where you need to pay small amount like $5, $10 in order to run this kind of ad and get thousands of people to the offer that you are promoting, okay? Do check out this tutorial also in order to know what exactly is Popunder ads. Furthermore, you can also check out my other YouTube videos that are going to be extremely helpful for you in order to make money online. Okay guys, so I'll see you in my next video. Take care, have a great life ahead. Bye bye.